Hello everybody, hi YouTube. I want to show you my very first Bullion gold. I'm really excited doing this unboxing today. I bought this from proaurum. Yeah, exactly on 3rd of August. The spot price was 1005 US dollars. A few days later the price dropped to 1172. It was the bottom. I could have waited a couple of days, but it's okay. I will keep the gold for the long time anyway. I've got here Känguru, Krügerrand, Philharmoniker and Perth bar. So this is my first gold ever. I've never kept gold in my hands before. So, and now let's have a close up. I will zoom in so you guys can see them as good as I can. Alright, the first is Känguru. Let's open this. Känguru. It's so heavy. Elizabeth II, Australia, $100. The Känguru from 2011. Sorry. And you're watching this in 4K UHD, so make sure to switch it for the better quality. Nice, shiny, nice, very nice. All right. The second is Krügerrand. Krügerrand. It's also great. I like this coin. Oh, I like it so much. Krügerrand. Third one, it's Philharmoniker. Oh, Philharmoniker is beautiful. It's so thin. For example, with Krügerrand, you see? It's much thinner. It's 2018 new one from the mint. Really nice and also heavy. And the bar. Perth mint. And the plastic. So it's not as nice as the coins, I can tell you guys. I like coins, I like coins more than bars. You know, we can touch them You can feel them. But the bar, yeah, it just closed. It's so small actually. It's really small. I thought 1 ounce bar will be bigger, but it's really small. Yeah, so that's it. So there is something special in gold. I like it more than silver for sure. And it is amazing that such a little coin, it's worth so much. Yeah, about 1,200 US dollars for such a small coin. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Alright, so thanks for watching and have a nice day or night. See you in next video.